Head is the call. Amu Sharks, the change in their side is Durrani and Sabir walk out on his 3 loss. And this time around he connects. And he connects well enough for a boundary. First boundary off the bat of Hazratullah Zazai.
Too full, too much width by Farooqi.
Coming down the track, he comes back hard at him, but Hazrat Zazai somehow manages to top edge that for a boundary.
Yeah, Lady Luck at the moment is with Zazai. As a global superstar, you probably want to lead from the front. Using the pace, that's lovely placement as well by Zubayd Akbari. Nothing wrong with the delivery by Farooqi. Got the field placing spot on.
Zubair gets going and this is in the air. And the fielder fumbles and it runs down to the boundary. Back-to-back boundaries, a bit unfortunate for Fazlak Farooqi.
Again, bit of Lady Luck, preferring the Tigers.
Any drop catches? Any wicket? Ah, there it comes. The wicket comes. Chopped it back onto the stump. Hazratullah Zazai, 1 shot too many, loses his wicket.
Unlucky there, Zazai, for me.
There's no protection there. That will run down to the boundary. The 2 fielder outside circle or at long off and at the deep mid wicket. Nowhere square of the wicket is there any boundary protector. 4 of the very first ball of Abdul Malik. Confident start this from Zubayd Akbari. Uses his feet, comes down the track and says thank you very much and sends it off. Despite the fielder being placed there, he doesn't mind that. He trusts his ability that he can clear that and he clears the boundary with ease.
ډېر په زړه پورې لوبونه ده په مډ وکټ باندې زبید اکبري څلوریزه دلته او د زبید نن ډېر بهترین پیل دی
بالکل تر دا ماله پیل شه سوی دا خو
کاف سټم باندې تا کړی فیلډینګ سیټ اپ نو پکار ده چې بیا مغه کې او دلته څلور منډې یوې ټپه کې وروسته دا ځل زبید نه رحمت شاه زرمتی دی
دم T20 د چینج شوی دغه اوس چې کومه توپانو دي ترسره کوي او بیا هم توپ ته میډ وکټ باونډري په لوري ډګر ساتونکی ګورو چې هڅه بریالي به نه بولي ځکه کوشش یې کړی و خو بیا هم لوبڅار
قیس مطمئن نه ښکارېده
ځان مطمئنوي
تکرار د صحنې کې به معلومه شي چې څه شوي دي احمدشاه درانی تکرار کې ګورو باونډري ده څلوریزه لوبسار به خامخا همدغه فیصله کوي محمد صابر او احمدشاه درانی په فیلډ کې دي دوه ډېر ښه لوبساران سکویر لیګې بهر ساتلی را صحیح نه دی میډل شوی شرف الدین او 200 ورځو وروسته رحمت شاه هم ځي د ډریسنګ روم په طرف باندې غوښتله چې وور د فیلډر یې ولوبوي اما دا ځل بریالی شو محمد ګل علیزی پیس کې کمی و نتیجه د رحمت شاه وکټ
همدغه د دې ویشتنځای مزاج او طبیعت هم داسې ده که چېرته ته ډېر پیس سره بال کوې دغه بال به هرومرو د باونډرۍ څخه د باندې وخ دا چې پیس یې راکم کړی و نو په
اوس دلته ګورو او دلته لږ څه نږدې دی او درویش ته چې نږدې ورځې خامخا به هغه غټ شاټ ته ځي او دلته په ډیپ ایکسټرا کور باندې څلوریزه پای ډېره ښه وه د سپین غر لپاره
Not a great delivery. to Ashraf's enticing delivery. He backed himself to clear the fielder. Not to be. Commentators curse or what?
Lovely adjustment from Ashraf. The slow through the air and subtle change in line as well. He was induced to play a big shot. He succumbed to that ploy from
The daily chatter. There should be taken. Would be difficult. Oh, he's got it for four. Darvish. For a moment, I thought the fielder had it under control. But Darvish was in better control.
بیا هم د تیر لوب په څیر په وکټ پاتې شوی ملګرتیا کوي خو دا ځل بال له بونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره څه یو په ښکلي انداز سره دغه بال راواخیسته او د شپږو منډو لپاره یې له بونډرۍ څخه بهر ورګزار کړ که وګورو څومره ښه راواخیسته دغه بال
ډېر ښکلی شاټ و په ایکسټرا کور باندې بال د شپږو منډو باید تا دا کیچ نیولی وای او دلته څومره ښکلی توپ او آوټ درویش رسولي خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکوي شرف الدین اشرف دویمه وکټ او په ټوله کې څلورمه وکټ د امو لپاره
بالکل ډیر په زړه پورې بال دا ځل بیټسمین د یو غلط شاټ لپاره تشویق کړ هغه لومړي بال شپږیزه ورکړي و هغې نه وروسته دوه سینګلې دلته یو ځل بیا هم بال ډوبیږي فیلډر فضل حق فاروقي ځان رسوي چټکه منډه د دویمې منډې چانس هڅه کوي او رن آوټ دپاره اپیل ترسره کیږي وګورو چې ستونزه شته او که نه او وبه کتل شي خو که وګورو ډاډه ښکاري دلته اول ته په چټکۍ سره د دویمې منډې هڅه وه خو د فاروقي دغه هڅه هم د ستایلو و چې بال ډایرکټ هیډ په بیکټ وګورو دلته به وکتل شي ښکاري چې د خپله وکټ له لاسه ورکړي خو لا هم پرېکړه نه ده شوي
نو پرېکړه ښکاره ده چې آوټ دی او بهیر شاه محبوب پرته له کومې منډې جوړولو
فضل حق فاروقي دوه اورونو کې 19 منډې ورکړي دي بال ته انتخابیږي خو دغلته ډیف تړمین او څلور منډې هیڅ یو فیلډر ته د بال نیولو چانس په لاس ورنه راغی په ښه انداز سره دغه بال راواخیسته اعجاز په راتګ
بحث باندې دی په لوبډله کې و او دا ځل بولډ آوټ اکرام روم اخلي خو چانس نه ورکوي شرف کلین بولډ
بالکل
It's information, but the conditions massive. A good shot by Ijaz through extra cover, slightly aerial, but found the gap.
he is an attacking batsman. He's got some runs.
Slow ball bouncer over extra cover and easily taken. I thought for a second Ijaz found the middle of the bat, it cleared the boundary, but unfortunately finds the sweeper fielder and goal strikes for the Sharks.
Of their skills. Caught brilliantly by Kesh Ahmed on the follow through.
Is this been taken cleanly? Probably one of the best catches we've seen in the Etisalat Pegiza League 2025, powered by Expo. Not his the strongest hand, the right hand, it's his left hand. Following through and getting the big mid underneath. Has he got his fingers underneath? That's the question will be asked. But I think looking at the batsman, he's quite happy to walk off. The front foot is fine. No doubts with the front foot. Pretty sure the catch will be checked by the third umpire. Has he got the fingers underneath? Yeah, he takes it there. When he lands it, palms it, he's fine. The fingers are underneath and the ball never for a millisecond touched the ground. It should be good for me. And Kai Zibara at number 10. First ball swings it and he's been castled. Kai Ahmed back-to-back wickets. He will be on a hat-trick next delivery.
Again sensing the intention from the batter. He knows about
Yorker. Sweeper cover in place and takes it. Lovely execution of bowling outside the off-stump Yorkers and a good catch in the deep. And the Tigers been dismissed for 121 runs inning, and it goes to waste. Farooq a couple of wickets. It will take a mighty effort by the Tigers with something to inspire. Shot over mid-off. Should be the first boundary of the innings. Lovely shot by Hassan. Yorker in the gap and squeezes past extra cover for a boundary. Back-to-back boundaries in to finish the first over. It's 10 for no loss. From it. Beautifully done by Ibrahim again. Direct hit, yes! At the non-strikers end is Hassan Esakil been dismissed. A massive miscommunication in the middle. The first wicket goes for the Sharks, courtesy of a run out.
Isakil has only himself to blame here. Not even in the frame, and a fabulous effort, that underarm throw while he was between.
In the air, Zazai underneath it and takes a dolly. And Imran, the impact sub, trying to up the ante, trying to go mid-wicket, gives Farid his first wicket. And Zazai takes a sitter.
دغه دوړ تشویق لپاره او دا ځل ټاپ دی لوړ دی بال ډیپ کې فیلډر شته خو یو څه بالکل رسیږي رننګ کیچ دی او موږ وړاندې هم له اجازه احمدزي له لوري دغه ډبل کیچونه لیدلي دي ډېره غټه ساحه یې کور کړله په منډې سره وی شو کولی دغه کیچ ته ځان ورسوي دغه بال ته ځان ورسوي او بالاخره ستره وکټ ابراهیم عبدالرحیمزي او دا ځل په زړه پورې ټچ دی ډیپ کې فیلډر شته دی خو دغه بال راګرځول به ورته سخت وي او بالکل بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د څلور منډ لپاره یو څه روم او ته نشي ورکولی اسحاق رحیمي ته ځکه
So, yeah, it's there and a boundary. A great shot by Kamal. He has been doing great for his team. I have seen him a couple of times scoring runs for his team.
Well, Shahidullah Kamal has been around for some time now. He understands the position he is required to bat at. At this stage, his role is to make sure that he can bring his team to the victory. And exactly how the doctor is ordered. Start the over with a
Good use of his only over. Fazal Haq Farooqi, look at the bowling side they've got a very good bowling side.
Farid Malik is asking for the obstruction of field because and once again we see everyone coming around and asking the question, the obstruction of field. Yes, they are celebrating because Farid Malik on his return picked the ball and found Ishaq Rahimi blocking his way. And out of the celebration you will think, that yes, he's been adjudicated out. We'll have to see. It's on the second attempt that he's been run out.
Yeah, that was something surprising. There was a second attempt right at the time when his hand was a little bit up the line. Let's see what will be the result.
Like a decision.
Yeah, a tough decision to make. Let's see the replay once again. And then just shortly comes the throw once again by Samiullah Shinwari when he was out of the crease.
You know, there is a subtle thing that the umpire does with the hand movement from the umpire. He's kind of indicating the fact that, okay, hold on. So that one thing could tell, and maybe the umpire has said that the ball is dead. So if the ball is dead, even if Ishaq is out, even if Ishaq is... oh, come on, he's given OUT. So that means that the ball is not dead and he's been adjudicated out. So if there were any reason he could have not been out, would have been if the ball is called dead, and that's it. But the ball was still active.
Yeah, to stay live in the tournament and increase their chances. Winning this match is very important. And here comes another wicket. Another success for Spingar Tigers, caught behind. And it's Samiullah Shinwari who is caught behind.
Samiullah Shinwari, that has got the best of 10 in this tournament so far, hasn't really clicked. And this wicket can really open things up for the Spingar Tigers.
جامع راو
او دې کې لري نه چې د IPL غوره ټیمي مات کړ دلته آوټ سایډ ایج لګېږي خوشبختي ده د شاهد الله کمال لپاره سلوریزه که دغه پایلو به موږ اشاره وکړو د ابدالیانو لوبډلې د انډیا هغه IPL ټاپ لوبغاړي وو پکې هم د شپږیزې ټاپ لوبغاړو هغوی مات کړه تکرار د صحنې سلیپ هم دې لپاره اخیستل شوی و خو لږ بهر ولګېده دغه ایج
بالکل منډې په کار دی فضل که وګورو د یو دوه منډو
هماغه و چې دوی ښه ټوټل ورنه کړه شاړ هڅه شوې ده فیلډر نشته یوې ټپه کې وروسته سلوریزه دغه رول زبید اکبري ته پکار و په لومړۍ پاڼۍ کې ځکه هغه سیټ و 43 منډې کړې وې او وروستي
شن بدلیږي
بالکل T20 کرکټ کې هر وخت مومنټم چینج کېدلی شي او عصمت عالم که ناوخته راغی خو خپله وظیفه یې صحیح ترسره کړه
Probably, if a wicket goes, will come at number 9. That's the level of confidence Sharks are playing with. On the other hand, complete difference mindset when it comes to the Tigers. 110 for 6.
In the tournament. Strikes at a non-striker end.
Looking at the fielder's reaction and the batsman's reaction, probably this may be curtains for Qais Ahmed. He was guilty of ball watching and not getting back in time, probably. Yeah, certainly curtain signs. Qais Ahmed got to go back with a magnificent piece of fielding of his own bowling by Smith. Excellent stuff. Just what the doctor ordered for the Tigers to come back into this game. Tell you what, Devendra, it's not over until it's over. Probably Omar Zai will come at number 9. Cricket, funny things have happened in the past. OUT. It is going to...
It results in a wicket. Big shot over the top of long off for 6. Tremendous blow from Azmatullah Umarzai.
That's how you finish off a game. The captain does it in style. Captain for the first time in the 10th edition. First ball, if he's facing off the leg spinner, smashes it right in the slot, floated up by Rahmat Shah, flat and hard, and goes. And the Sharks win it by 3 wickets and 9 delivers remaining. And the Tigers, unfortunately, they played well, didn't have the lady luck going in this game, and loses their 4th game on the trot.
Fantastic finish from Azmat for the team Amul Sharks as they win by 3 wickets, a low scoring game. Better attitude today, more intensity in the field shown by the team Svinga Tigers, but did not score enough runs to 3 wickets. 13 of 6 from Hassan Ishaq.
By the Tigers, I thought Farid was excellent.